I was gonna say you're not gonna believe this video. Hundreds of videos later, you're gonna believe this. This cop wants to fight this dude. This cop can't keep his feelings in check. He has no choice but to do the drive of shame. You guys are gonna want to go subscribe to this new channel. Let them know that I sent you. Let's get right to it.
You don't know how to fucking drive? You didn't even put your fucking signal on me, you dumbass. Put your camera on.
It is on.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you need?
I need your driver's license.
No, I'm not. I didn't commit any crimes. I didn't commit a crime.
You were flicking me off.
So that's freedom of speech, asshole.
Yeah.
That's the First Amendment. That's not against the law.
Yeah, and it's road rage right there.
That's not road rage.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, you were getting upset.
Okay, get a
over
supervisor then.
there. Yeah, you were getting upset over there.
I did get upset because you almost sideswiped me, you dumbass.
I didn't almost swipe.
You did. You cut me off.
I accelerated.
Exactly, and you almost hit me.
No.
So get a supervisor. I want a supervisor.
Are you gonna get your driver's license out for me?
I will when you get a supervisor out here.
I'm not getting a supervisor.
Yes, you will because your driving was what instigated this.
No, it's not.
Yes, it was.
I accelerated over for you.
Nope.
You just gonna put your family in danger over here for you?
You put my family in danger when you almost sideswiped me.
No, I didn't.
What's your name and badge number?
I don't need to give it to you.
Okay.
This cop didn't want to identify, but we did pause and zoom the video. This is the Houston Police, Texas license plate 1376975, patrol vehicle 50331C. Keep watching, folks.
What's your name and badge number?
I don't need to give it to you.
Okay. Then I don't have to give you mine.
Okay. You want to step out and tell me what you were saying over there?
What was I doing?
Yeah, you were over there flicking me off.
That's freedom of speech.
Yeah, but you want to do it in front of my face?
So?
You want to step out of the car and do that?
No, fuck you. I'm not stepping out of nowhere.
Yeah,
Get your supervisor.
That's why.
Fuck you. You're the fucking pussy. You can't even give me your goddamn badge number or your ID.
You want to step out?
What? And if I do, I'm not going to. Where's your badge number and your name? I said I want your badge number, asshole.
Close the door. Hey, calm down. Hey, calm down. Calm down.
Yeah, you want to start cursing on your front of your phone?
Fuck you, asshole. You stupid ass little punk bitch. You pussy.
Yeah, calm down.
This cop didn't seem to have any self-awareness. In this day and age, you'd think that police would know that there's cameras everywhere. They can always be recorded. This guy was lucky that he had his camera out already recording. That should teach you guys something. If you're gonna record police, your transactions, do it fast. Don't wait. This cop was definitely unhinged. I don't believe he has any business out on the streets patrolling with a gun and a badge. That cop is a recipe for disaster for the city of Houston. You guys go subscribe to John Michael Guajardo II's channel. Let him know that I sent you. Before you go, we'll give you the First Amendment of the Constitution so you guys always know it and you don't have to tattoo it on your chest just so you can memorize it. You have the freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Don't forget that, folks. Those elements of the First Amendment mirror your natural born rights. Those amendments limit the scope of authority that public officials have over you. If you do the math, that's why they don't care to learn it. It takes their power away and gives it back to you. Anyhow, thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. We bring you all the new channels. You can reach us at recordpolicenow@gmail.com. All right, folks, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.